Greetings everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be putting together a very large greenhouse. As you know, it is only the very end of January, almost February, and it's a beautiful day. It's really chilly out here. You can see we have one of our son's areas that he is adding on over here. Just planted some, got some more raised beds and filling them in as time goes on with some compost and some dirt, soil, and doing a really good job over here. Right here, we got a plum tree they just planted right here, right in direct sun, which fruit trees love. Some more raised beds. We got another bed over here, another keyhole garden right here, and some more raised beds, and the greenhouse over here. Then we're going to be doing this greenhouse over here. We're going to open it and start putting some pieces out. So come with us as we build our greenhouse. Alright, we're going to start off by opening our box. Very large box. It's over 300 pounds. So we had to have about 2 very strong men get this. So start ripping this thing open. Alright, I'm going to have to put the camera down for a second and see how these pieces look. We're going to have some of the men put it up for us. And we'll, of course, do the rest, inshallah. Stay tuned. Alright, I opened up the box, and as you can see the plastic wrap right here. And then you can see underneath, we have the galvanized poles to put the greenhouse up. And so what I like to do, I like to lay out all of the materials first, get the instructions, the assembly instructions, and lay out all of the material first. So now, as you all can see, we laid out all of our instructions, which are right here. It's a quite big greenhouse. These are just a label monitor that shows you the warnings, must use ground stakes, ropes, and put extra weight such as soil or stones so the thing will fly away. But we're going to reassure it with a lot of poles and reassure it into the ground, inshallah. But this is the plastic. These are right here, the galvanized steel poles. They're labeled with different types of numbers like 5, 2, 9, 8, all the way up to 10. And these are the top rounds and side bottoms right here. And then we have all of our hardware, which is the screws and rope and all that to tie our greenhouse down and to secure the galvanized steel poles. Inshallah, it's going to take a while. Let's see how long it'll take to get all of this done. Here's the start of putting it together. This right here is a DIY pathway, and this is what he's doing right here. Just rocks recycled from our property. Good day, everyone. Today we are actually going to be transferring some of our seedlings and our pots that we have for a few years that we do every year. We do a potted garden, but now we have a greenhouse inside of the house, which is some of the seedlings are ready to transfer into some of the bigger pots so we can go into our greenhouse that we are making, inshallah. You can see some ice there. You can tell how cold it is because it's ice in that pot with water. But we clean out these pots right here. We clean out these pots right here and we transfer the seeds, and then we're going to transfer them into our large greenhouse, inshallah. So I hope you follow us on this journey so you all can perhaps get some hints and tips on starting your garden. Here's some going on over here. We got some of the beds right here, and we got one of the fence areas built over here. We're going to be planting some things. Right now, he is putting some logs and leaves inside of here, and it's looking really, really good in this very large bed. Now I'm cleaning out these pots, the recycled pots right here, and I'm just putting them in this little bin right here so I can drag them to the house so I can put more soil in it, and the new soil we got from our compost, and plant our seeds in it. So we can continue cleaning out these pots. All right, so far we've cleaned a lot of pots, quite a bit, and we still have more to clean. So far this is what we have to do, and then we have to fill them up with soil and put some of our seedlings inside of here and then into our greenhouse that's being built like you seen earlier. Alhamdulillah, we are finished the skeleton of the greenhouse, and it took about 2 hours. It is very, very large, and it has about, let me see how many beams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 beams. So, this is about 26 feet and 8 feet, about 8 feet high. And so later on, we will add the plastic that you see right here, the white plastic right there. But before we add the plastic, what we like to do is to secure it because of the wind. And we secure it with either some timbers, or we use the metal barb that go into the road, that go into the ground, and that's how we secure it. But stay tuned for the next video where we will be, inshallah, adding the plastic and securing your greenhouse for the month of January, February, so we can get our seedlings inside. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for updates, inshallah.